move to next chapter. Still within the work with Excel, we talk about how to continue work with cells. If you see from this mind map, within this 6.5, we have merge cell, insert something, and delete something, or from column or the rows, and also we will move cell. So we will learn total about the 7 method according for the base cell operating. So let's do this along with the book. So the book here in the 6.4, we talk about how to access the cell, and through the access, if you give the third argument, you can modify or update the cell's value. But within the Excel, you have many different ways. Like you want to merge some cell in the horizontal or in the vertical. So how we do that? Let's create our folder and to do the practice altogether. So let's make this 6.4 work with cells. Then we create 6.5.1. Merge cell.py. We give this so is our workbook class we will use. OpenPy Excel input workbook, and then make the instance of workbook. And point the active worksheet is workbook.active. So these top 3 lines will use already so in many times. So those are the basic the initialization or preparation in this Python to work with Excel. So let's give this I as the initial variable for x in range 1 to 11. So x, if we see x is in one direction, y in another direction, so that is the 11 rows or 10 rows, 20 columns. So for y in range 1 to 21, then w as cell, row equal to x, column equal to y, and we give last is value is I. So that this function was the one we learned last time. So I plus equal to y. So I is an incremental per I per 1. And then we finish this indent, and then we put this merge, use this merge cells function or method. We merge B2 to F6. And so our current make this work. So cdc-5. So this is our current one. So let's back to things is you see here. If you want to see the result, then it's used better to finally you put this save. So test the result for merge cell. Let's run this. It should generate. You will see here. Let's minimize this. Then it should generate one Excel file. Oh, it's generated here. So it's still all. So my working directory is still here. So because I make run in the new instance. So I can move this to here. But anyway, you see, you get our the generate. So let's go to our drive to see. So we will go to the GitHub. You cannot directly view that from the this. Maybe it's let me try to see XLS X Viewer, Office Viewer. Yeah, it's Excel. So if I have those installing, well, it's installed. Let me open this. You can see here, that's the B2 to B6 is just use this B2's value because same as here. So if you want to merge this 6, you will use this top left corner's value to overwrite. So you can see here to overwrite the rest of the values. So that's the normal behavior. Just if you do this within Excel, you can see your merged value has some alignment in by default. It's in the bottom in vertical and middle in horizontal. But when we run this from Python, it's in the bottom right corner. So both is in the bottom in vertical and right in the horizontal. So those are just some display the issues. So don't save. So then we have this. Let's leave that running. So let's see the second one is how to cancel the merge. Before merge, E3 value is 45. After merge, it's will get none. So we just add another part here. So we merge these two, and then this before merge, we print our WS. Just when you use a bracket, it just with this E3 directly, and with a dot and the value. And after that, you can print this again. Yeah, you can print this E3. And I will also, because we put B2, so let's also print B2, and here we print E3 again, and we make our unmerge. So unmerge cells. Same as B2, F6. Then you can see B2 first is 22, and it's generate another one, and E3 is 45. After merge, E3 is getting the same within this big merged part. Let's back to here. So let me back. It's our file is generated here, but that's no matter. So we can still talk. So this file after we saved is finished unmerge. Unmerge actually is clear those values and only kept this B2. So B2 is still the original value, but the E3 is here. So before merge is 45. 47, 46, 45. After merge is overwritten by 22. And even we unmerge, those value is still lost. So those one the thing is you will need to see the sums, the caution to be synced. So this one is our so now is we can preview within our code directly. So after I install this Office viewer, so it's perfect. So let me save this is the merge, and I will make this. You can see here is unmerged, and I put this file also sample here. So from the two samples, you have some idea is what are the merge, what are the unmerge looks like. If you don't want use this string as the argument, you can set this method, so star rows, because now is we put this B2 F6. We can also make the star row, star column and row and column. Then we can merge. So let's maybe we can do another sample. So let's just categorize. So first, let me put our part 2 and 6, chapter 06. And then the 6.5. Oh. So afterwards, our file will generate it here. So let's copy this one, and we have make this 3. So instead of we transfer a file here as this B2, so let's B2 F6. Let's translate this, transfer some values based on here star row. We have 20 columns and 10 rows. We already use B2 to 6. Let's see, we want this from the 7 star column, not 6. Let's not F. A, B, C, D, F. Let's go to also 7, or maybe 8. And the end row is 9. And column is, I use 14. So let's generate -3 -3. So let's run. I should have 2 merged part. So like this is our part. So this one is original. So -3. You can see here. Well, we also get our another merged part, and then this merged part is get unmerged as well. So, but the strange is here I don't have the unmerged column. I only have merge. So this is strange. So let me see. So print. I don't need this print. I just want to merge, and then save this. Let's run this again. Is this file? Oh, possible in the preview. Let's double check whether in the preview you cannot see the merge. That can be some issues on this plugin. We generate this 06. You can see here. So that Visual Studio code plugin may have some improvements as well. So here actually the file is already having the merge, but when we validate that in the preview, that is the not show is merged. So that's the limitation for this preview, but that's okay. So, and then this if you have this merged these cells, how you can access actually this merged the cell is upper left corner cell is this merged cells position. So let's do this again. So to test this one. So actually this is the number 4. I put this is number 1 and 2. So then you can just positioning this one. So we have generate our part. So until here, and we merge cell B2 to B5, and then this we merge another part. Is I5 to J6. Let's create this. Oh, let's not change our number 1. So we change this number 2. So here, merge cells I5 J6, and then merged cells equal to WS merged cells. So merged cells is the our object, and we can use certain is the object worksheet. So one property of this worksheet, and then we can print type merged cell. So before we do this save, let's just print out the type. So this type you can see is a multi-cell range. So it's a range. That's perfect. Then for merge cell range in our these properties the variable. So merged cells we print coordinate merged cell range. Use this property. So let's do this. You can see coordinate is our range is B2 F6 I5 J6. So if we put this OK 9, so if you change that, is your merge range is also changed. Through this, you can extract the range, the numbers of the cells you are merged into the variable, and then you can use that to process some activities. So those are the merged cell. We stop here, and next video we will move to how you can insert and delete some columns and rows still within this 6.5 chapter. See you in the next video.